WallyRooTV.
Hi, WallyRoo. Look what we have today.
Yay, Thomas!
That's right, it's Thomas. And look, it's a huge Thomas set. This is the Thomas Friends TrackMaster Mad Dash On Sodor set. This is one of the biggest Thomas sets we have so far, WallyRoo. And something else very special about this Thomas set is that it's remote controlled.
This is so cool!
That's right, WallyRoo. This set comes with an RC Thomas. The remote control allows you to drive Thomas forward or backward. And it also allows you to start and stop Thomas anywhere along the line you'd like. This set comes with one RC Thomas and one cargo car. It also comes with a very cool spinning Cranky. And just like all the newer Thomas Friends TrackMaster sets, this set comes with two adapters, which will allow you to connect this track with the previous version of the TrackMaster track.
Yay, Thomas! I love Thomas! Yay, I love Thomas the train! Yay, I love Thomas the train! Thomas, 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 the train!
That's very good, WallyRoo.
This set takes 5 AAA batteries. 3 AAA batteries for your motorized remote control Thomas, and 2 more AAA batteries for the remote controller. What do you think, WallyRoo? What do you think, Froggy? Is this the biggest TrackMaster Thomas Friends set you've ever seen? It's the biggest one I've ever seen. Whoa, that's a steep hill. Be careful. And that spiral downhill, it looks a little tricky, WallyRoo. Okay, WallyRoo, let's see how many other Thomas and Friends TrackMaster locomotives work well with this set. Today, WallyRoo and Froggy looked at the Fisher-Price TrackMaster Thomas and Friends Mad Dash on Sodor set. This set comes with a remote control Thomas, one cargo car, a spinning Cranky, and a whole lot of track. This set takes 5 AAA batteries. You'll need 2 batteries for the remote controller and 3 batteries for your remote control Thomas. And don't forget, this set is so big, you're going to have to make sure you have room for it before you set it up. And a set this big is bound to give you hours and hours of Thomas and Friends playtime fun.
Okay, WallyRoo, time to clean up. Let's sing the cleanup song.
I love a cleanup song. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, even in your underwear. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up, soon the mess will not be there. Clean up, even in your underwear. Everybody do your share. Clean up, soon the mess will not be there. Clean up, even in your underwear.
WallyRooTV.